On this episode of Bad Tree,
we're gonna start this son of a bitch. First try?
yes. Ready?
Yeah. Hold it. Hit it again. Hold it. You don't have spark.
No sparky? Spark? Oh yeah, I guess I should.
Oh, let's see. I may have switched.
Coil wires?
Mm-hmm.
Backwardo. I think the problem is reversed coil engineering.
Yeah.
You ever been on YouTube before, Uncle Bart?
Never.
Oh, you are now.
Today's the day.
First time for everything, eh?
Fresh from Cali, baby. Freezing his ass off.
Had to come all the way up to Iowa just to get on YouTube. They got YouTube in California?
I don't think so.
I think this trigger wire might need to go on positive. All the other ones should be fine. Tack's on negative. The one from the HEI is on the right negative. And then there's ignition on. Okay.
Okay.
Try it again.
Okay. Let's fire this thing up. Ready for the touch?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the tap? Yeah, toe tap.
No tack. 25. 2. Is it running on all 8? You're running on all 8, or does it just? Is it just me? 26.
Lifter sound really noisy. Make the rocker still.
Starting to get quieter.
Oil pressure's holding real good.
It's about 60 now. Was 75, and now it's thinner.
Yep.
far as gauges.
Dude ain't smoking or nothing, bro. Kill it. They say 20, 25 minutes, or you can do like 2 10 or 12 minute ones. Let her cool down and drop.
They're boiling out right now.
Yeah, that plug and this plug. Let's let it cool down. It's really hot. I'm claiming win though.
Success.
I'm claiming it.
Success, boys and girls on the internet.
The interwebs.
Thanks for coming along with us on this journey of replacing a camshaft.
And everything else.
Yeah.
Let's see. I think that card needs tweaked. I think a bunch of stuff needs to happen again.
Yeah. It's got a pretty good chop to it.
Stay warm under there.
Yeah. I know sometimes in the summertime, like, out for a rip, and I pull back in the garage, and it's like it's so hot in the garage. Like, oh my god. A lot of iron there. It takes a while to cool down. Oh, sweet. All right, so let her cool down. We'll check everything. I doesn't want to stay in there. And I think I'm going to take it for a rip.
Mm-hmm.
And then lots of tuning.
Yeah.
It's not quite what it was.
We'll get the laptop plugged into it.
Yeah. Where does that plug into?
Well, Hector gave me the dongle, it's called. Yep.
Don't you say it.
I'll give you a
It spades in right over there.
It fades in over there.
Yeah. It's an old tuner trick from back when there were spoon motors and whatnot.
I suppose.
Got some hot dogs or marshmallows?
What about bacon or eggs? Ooh, we could do breakfast. Well, let's see if it'll move out of its own way.
checked that before you got here.
Sounds good.
It's got a chop to it. Feels weird.
Mm-hmm. I don't know.
I don't think it's got 8. Well, take your time, people. You gotta be kidding. Then up over the curb she goes. Oh wait, that was a
him.
You know, in hindsight, when I hooked all these gauges up, I wish I would have hooked the lights up that would have been too.
Yeah, it doesn't quite sound like 8.
No, it doesn't.
Or a vicious vacuum leak, but I'm leading towards
They don't have a
7.
plug wire on it or something. Clipped on all the way.
Right. Well, when we get down here, pop the hood.
Nope. It's severely lacking power. I don't know. Got her back together. Yeah, we put a cam in it. Hopefully. Gotta get back to the garage now. But it's just him. I'll be over now. Don't have 8 for sure.
No. Well, on 7 it feels as fast as before. So I think we have an improvement.
Yeah.
One more cylinder than the Duster.
The tires are really bald too. It's gonna be one of them hard ones over there if it's any of them. I don't think we got 8 cylinders.
Shut off the lights and start with it.
Yeah.
If one of them is arcing, you'll see it right off the bat.
Yeah, I didn't tighten that down either. Let's go through the good and bad.
You got one of them. Okay, the good.
The good, all the parts that are in the motor are still in the motor.
That's true.
It survived 20 minutes of hot ass RPMing. Oil pressure stayed good. It's still not leaking. The tranny moves. The brakes work.
It quit smoking.
It quit smoking almost immediately. Yeah.
Burnt the hose and shit. Right.
Yep. Yeah.
Smoking out.
It's gonna be a win for me.
Hell yeah.
Oh. So yeah, we gotta do some more fine tuning, get a vacuum gauge, and set that carburetor back in, and definitely play with timing.
I wish we had a laser heat.
Go from there.
Dealy bopper.
Got infrared on your.
No infrared on the GoPro to see which one's hot. Well, there you have it. The things that you do.
Over and over again.
Yeah. You do those. We're professional here at Bad Tree Productions, so yeah.
Professionals it gets.
We'll be back. See you again. Bye. Peace. Stay sexy. It's time to drink beer, Jeremy. Stop it.
Way ahead of you.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit, bro! What the?
High five!
No smoke! Who requested hot for teacher? I did.
Woo. There we go. That's it, baby.
To come back from Florida to fix it.
All he did is touch it.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Woo!
Oh.
That's what they look like.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Too
So
bad.
it was just like the Duster.
Yeah, it was just Flathead 6, whatever it is. That thing.
Without overhead cams. Wait, what?
Damn.
Comes back from Florida. Nails it.
Hell yeah.
Have a good night. See ya.
Respect the chop.